Hi, I'm Troy, and welcome to the battery shop. The battery in this Honda Ridgeline is located right here under the hood and will require a few steps to get to. Before we begin, check the manufacturer's step-by-step instructions. So you're familiar with the project, you have everything you need, you don't forget anything, and you can safely and efficiently replace the battery. Here's how it's done. We are using a memory saver to keep the vehicle's computer's memories alive while the battery is being replaced. The first step is to remove the front cowl cover. Next, loosen the two fasteners on the air intake duct. And remove the air intake duct. The next step, you will need to loosen the fastener for the wire harness hold down. You will need a 10mm wrench for that. With gloves and safety glasses on, loosen the fastener for the negative battery clamp using the same 10mm wrench. Then, remove the negative battery clamp from the negative battery terminal. Next, remove the protective cap. Using your same 10mm wrench, loosen the fastener for the positive battery cable clamp. Then, remove the positive battery cable from the positive battery terminal. The next step is to loosen the fasteners for the battery hold-down bracket using your 10mm wrench. Then, unhook the J-bolts and remove the battery hold-down bracket. The next step is to remove the battery box cover. Now we can remove the old battery. And install the replacement battery. Then, reinstall the battery box cover. Next, reinstall the battery hold-down bracket. And tighten the fasteners. Next, install the positive battery cable clamp on the positive battery terminal. It's always a good idea to clean the terminal and the clamp before doing so. But don't pound these clamps on because this can cause internal battery damage. And tighten the fastener. Now we can reinstall the negative battery cable clamp on the negative battery terminal and tighten the fastener. And reinstall the wire harness bracket. The next step is to reinstall the air intake and tighten the fastener. We recommend placing shop towels in the air intake to prevent the fasteners from falling in. Finally, reinstall the cowl cover and we are done.